In this video, we will be covering the best practice for setting your auto attendant to a different menu in the event of an emergency. On occasion, you may find that you need to divert callers due to an emergency such as extreme weather or loss of power. In these cases, you may not have time to set up a new menu and create a schedule to play that menu. Instead, we recommend creating an emergency menu. This may be something that you plan ahead of time and create a way to route calls to secondary locations using external transfers, or play a specific message that notifies callers that your organization is closed due to the extreme weather conditions. If you do not have an emergency menu created, one thing you may do is click on your closed menu from the menu summary. From the Modify menu page, click on the Clone button at the bottom of the page. This creates an exact copy of the closed menu, but now you can provide it with a different name. In this case, we will simply name the new menu Emergency Menu. Then click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Now we find an emergency menu in the menu summary. In the event of an emergency, simply log into your auto attendant and check the box in the active column that corresponds to the emergency menu. Then click the Update button. You will see that the current active menu now says Emergency. In this case, we could not choose the closed menu because the closed menu is the default menu, and because all schedules are configured to override the default menu, it would not work. By manually activating the emergency menu, this makes it the new default menu. As long as nothing is scheduled to override the emergency menu, it will continue to play until the emergency has lifted. When you are ready for your auto attendant to resume its regular schedule, log back in, locate your default menu, and place a check mark in the active column for the corresponding row, then click the Update button. If another menu is scheduled to be played at this time, you will see the check mark automatically reposition itself in front of that menu. This is because your auto attendant has now resumed its regular schedule. For more information about our products and services, please visit our support page at telesystem.us.